All right, we are going to look at our fine art again today. Do you remember the name of this piece of artwork? It is The Girl with the Watering Can by Pierre Auguste Renoir. Remember, it's an impressionistic painting, so it doesn't look like on me, like you can see the edge of my glasses like a photograph, but just gives you an impression. You can't see each little strand of hair like you can see on my hair, but it just gives you the impression of some hair. Do you think that hair is curly or straight? What does the impression give you? Yeah, it looks kind of curly to me too. Okay, let's look at some other things. So, last time, remember, we saw these flowers with the yellow centers, and since today we're talking about eating sometimes the flowers, do you think that she's planning to eat those flowers? Probably not. That's not the kind of flowers we eat. Some flowers you can, but probably not. Do you think she would eat the roses over here? Probably not. What flowers do you think that she just watered? Do you think she watered these back here? Maybe, but she's standing next to these roses, so I think that's what she watered with her watering can. So is this little girl, is she standing on the path or in the garden? She is standing on the path, isn't she? You can tell because the path is this brownish tan color and the garden is green. Okay, now we're going to look more carefully up here at this part of the grass. Can you see one plant that is all by itself in the middle of the grass? There it is, right there. And it's kind of a blue. Do you remember we looked at it before because it was the same as the blue in her boots and her dress and her eyes. So it kind of brings you in this triangle type shape. That's pleasing to our eyes. That's why the artist does that. But do you think this plant is a weed? Maybe, because it's all by itself out there. It's not in the flower beds, just out in the grass. What do you think we should do when we find weeds in our garden or plants that we don't mean to grow? That's what a weed is. It's a plant that we didn't mean to grow. Just kind of decided to do it by itself. We pull them out, right? Because if we leave it in there, it might take the water and the nutrients we want for the plants we're trying to grow. I hope that you are able to have a garden this summer or spring that you can plant seeds and grow and take care and pull the weeds out. That